Well, everyone, as most of you know, iOS 26.2.1 has just officially came out, and you might be wondering if you should install this version of software or iOS 18.7.4. Now, here's the thing, as most of you know, iOS 18.7.4 is really only available on the iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max, meaning those iPhones aren't actually able to go through and get iOS 26, let alone iOS 26.2.1. So your only choice really is to go through and install iOS 26.2.1 on your iPhone, that is supported, or iOS 18.7.4 as the max version. So to kind of break it down more, the iPhones that did end up getting iOS 18.7.4 cannot actually go through and get iOS 26.2.1. You are able to go through and still install, I believe, iOS 18.7.2 on some iPhones. On my iPhone 15 Pro, I still, am using that particular version of software, and that is significantly better, in my personal opinion, than iOS 26. iOS 26 looks really cool. There's a lot of really nice things going on for that version of software, but there are also some problems going on with this type of device, and I just don't think it really makes a lot of sense to go through and install 26.2.1, considering Apple is still actively going through and slowly giving us software updates here. They aren't giving us as many updates as I think they probably should be. So all in all, if you're trying to go through and get the better version of software here, I definitely do think it makes a lot more sense to go through and install something like iOS 18.7.4 or an iOS 18 type of software, rather than something like iOS 26.2.1. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.